Hello, hi my dear students of first class. How are you? And today in this video we are going to learn English 2. We are going to learn English 2. English 2 means English grammar. In English 1 we have stories, lessons we have. But here in English 2 we have grammar. Okay, we have grammar. Here these are the characters. All throughout the textbook we can see these characters. So here it is a parrot. This name is Mac. Okay, this is dog. Dog name is Post. Okay, Mac and Post. Here the conversation between Mac and Post. Here you see what they are talking to. Hey Post, do you know the alphabet? Here the Mac is parrot. Parrot is asking the dog Post. Mac is asking. What Mac is asking? Hey Post, do you know the alphabet? And all students, do you know what is alphabet? Very good. You all know the alphabet. Alphabet means A to Z letters. A, B, C, D, E, F up to Z we have. So those are called alphabet. Okay. Here what Post is telling. A for apples. B for banana. C for cookies. D for donuts. Here Post said, do you know alphabet anisarki? Post is telling what Post told? A for apples, B for banana, C for cookies, D for donuts. And next, donuts. I love donuts. Sniff, sniff. I think I can smell donuts. Oh, yummy donuts. I'm going to eat some. Bye. E for eats all the time. Here the Mac is saying E for eats all the time. Here whenever Mac asked about alphabet, here the Post told all the food habits, food items. A for apples, B for bananas, C for cookies, D for donuts, like that all eating food items only Post told. So the Mac said E for eats all the time. Eats all the time. So here the Post loves to eat. Do you love to eat? Do you like donuts? Very good. Next. Oh yes, I do. I have a favorite food item for each letter of the alphabet. The Post said, oh yes, I do. I have a favorite food item for each letter of alphabet. So like that only it explained. A for apple, like, okay. Next. These are 26 letters in English alphabet. The letters are in a certain order. That order cannot be changed. Here alphabet. In alphabet, how many letters do we have? 26 letters. These are 26 letters. A, B, C, D, E. Like that, we have 26 letters from A to Z in the alphabet. All these 26 letters are called alphabet. Okay. And this order cannot be changed. We cannot change this order. A after B only. B after C. C after D. D after E. Like that this train will be. Okay. It should be a line. E after F. F after G. G after H. We could not write H after G. G after H. Like that we cannot write. What we have to write like? The same order we have to follow. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, Z, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. X, Y and Z. Okay. Now write the numbers above each letter starting with 1 for A. You all have textbooks with you, I hope. So what you have to do is, here A. A is first letter. B second letter. C third letter. D fourth letter. E fifth letter. Like that you have to number the letters. 5. Here 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Like that you have to write up to here the 26. You have to fill 11 after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 we can get. So fill this in your textbook. Number the train, bogies and nada. Okay, compartments. Okay, next what do you have? And here these letters are called big letters or capital letters. What these letters are called? Capital letters. And here you have small letters. Look at the letters on the blocks. Here these are the blocks below. They are called small letter, or these A, B, C to Z. These letters are called small letters. These letters are called small letters. Now write the numbers above each letter starting with 1 for A. Here also you have to number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like that up to 26 you number these blocks, these letters. Okay, next. Here you see. Now write the numbers above each letter completed. Put the following letters in the correct alphabetical order. Put the following letters in the correct alphabetical order. What is the alphabetical order? Alphabetical order అంటే ఏంటి? ఇక్కడ చూడండి. E, C, B, A, D. Okay. This is not the correct order. This is not the correct order. So, E after C after B, B after A after D. Is it correct order? No. So, what will be the correct order? A after B, B after C after D, D after E. This is the correct order. A, B, C, D, E. This is the way to write the correct order of the letters, alphabetical order. This is called alphabetical order. We should write in an order. So P, N, O, M, L. What is the first letter? Which will come first in the alphabets? Here you see. Here what they have given? P. Here we have P. N. Where we have N? Here. So P before N. O. Where is O? P before letter. M. Before only, before line. L. Here only before. So which will come first? L, M, N, O, P. This is the alphabetical order. L, M, N, O, P. Okay. And next. R, Q, T, S, P. You just dot the letters do you have here. R, Q, T, S and P. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have given this order. How we have to write? P, Q, R, S, T. This is the alphabetical order. Alphabetical order lo manam vatini correct chesi rayali. Next, L, K, J, I, H. So what will be the correct order? H, I, J, K, L. H, I, J, K, L. And next, X, W, V, Y, Z. Which will come first? V. V after W. W after X. X after Y. Y after Z. So like that you have to write this in a alphabetical order. Okay. And now we have vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonant. Here you see. What are vowels? Already in your UKG, pre-primary UKG, you have learned. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. What are those vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are letters. So here you see. The first letter A, E, I, O, U. So in these 26 letters, these 5 letters, what are those 5 letters? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowels. These 5 letters are called vowels. They help us to make words. They help us to make what all the letters are used to make words. Here A, E, I, O, U are also the letters, vowels used to make words. The rest of the letters of the alphabet are called consonants. The rest of the letters of the alphabet are called consonant. So here I have circled A, E, I, O, U. And I told you these 5 are vowels. And what about the remaining letters? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the remaining letters when we remove these vowels. So, what about these letters? These letters are called consonants. These letters are called consonant. So, what we have here? A, E, I, O, U are vowels, and the remaining all letters B, C, D, F, all remaining letters are called consonants. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Remaining all letters are called consonants. So here we have 26 letters. In those 26 letters, 5 are vowels. 5 are vowels. What are those 5? A, E, I, O, U. Okay. And remaining 26 minus 5, 21. So, what are these 21 called? Consonants. What are these 21 letters called? Consonants. Okay. These consonants. What are these consonants? B, C, D, F. All the remaining letters except A, E, I, O, U in the alphabet. A, E, I, O, U in the alphabet. All the remaining letters are called consonants. Is it clear to you all? Very good. There are few words in English without vowels in them. Without vowels in them. So, whatever the word you take, we cannot form words without vowels. Without vowels, we cannot form a word. Whatever the word you take, it should contain even one vowel in that word. Okay. But so very few words. We have very few words in English without vowels in them. Vowels lekunda chala takkuva words unnai. Vowels రాకుండా ఒక వర్డ్ని మనం ఫామ్ చేయాలంటే చాలా తక్కువ వర్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి మనకి. ఓకే. అండ్ హియర్ యు సీ, అండర్లైన్ ద vowels in the following words. Here they have given you 5 words. So in those 5 words, we have to underline the vowels. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So here, C-A-T, cat. What is the vowel here? A. Okay. T-R-E-E, tree. What is the vowel here? 2 vowels we have. E and E. 2 E's we have. And next to dog. O. The vowel we have O. Next, P-I-N, pin. What we have here? I. T-U-B, tub. U. So, A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Next. Fill in the missing vowels to make words for the given pictures. So, they have given you pictures. We need to fill these blanks with the vowels. So, car. C-A-R, car. A vowel kada. And next, B-U-S, bus. U vowel only na. Next, B-O-A-T, boat. O and A, both are vowels. S-H-I-P, ship. Ship, I is vowel. Train, Train, train. A is vowel, I is vowel. So both are vowels. Like that you have to fill these two with your own, by your own. Okay. And next what you have? Jumbled letters. Here you have jumbled letters. Letters are used to make words. Letters are used to make words. Put the letters in the correct order to make words. Letters ఎందుకు యూజ్ అవుతాయి మనకి వర్డ్స్ ని ఫామ్ చేయడానికే కదా. సో హియర్ put these letters in the correct order to make words. Here they have given you clue picture. As a clue they have given you picture. So here what is that picture? Cat. So letters we have T, A, C. But we have to make it in the correct order. Okay, we have to write it in the correct order to form a correct word. So what is the correct formation? C-A-T, cat. Okay, C-A-T, cat. Next, S-B-U. This is bus. Here we have B-U-S. 3 letters we have. Bus spelling we have, but in the wrong order. So we have to write in the correct order. B-U-S, bus. Okay. Next, here it is tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Here we have 4 letters. Tree, 4 letters we have. What we have to do? We need to write in the correct order. So T-R-E-E, tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Next, pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Pencil word రాయడానికి all letters we have here. What we have to do here? We just have to correct the order. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. So like that you have to write up to 10. Okay. Here it is your first lesson. What is our name of the first lesson? The alphabet. The name of the first lesson in first class English 2 is the alphabet. The alphabet. Okay, remember and fill these properly with the help of your siblings or with the help of your mother. Okay, do you understand the lesson? I hope you understood. If you have any doubts, you can ask me whenever you have a Zoom meeting with me. Okay then, up to then, bye bye students.